France, Austria, Hungary and the Czech Republic have received their first shipments of the AstraZeneca vaccine. Austria is following Germany and restricting the jab to the under 65s because it has safety concerns following the vaccine's trials. For Hungary, it's the fourth vaccine that has arrived after the Pfizer-BioNTech, Moderna and Sputnik V formulations. European Union reserved 300 million doses of this vaccine, and from this more than 6 million will arrive in Hungary in instalments on a weekly basis. In France, nearly 250,000 AstraZeneca vaccines have arrived. They'll initially go to health workers under 65. This vaccine has an advantage over the previous one. We can keep it just in a fridge and not in the freezer like the previous one. So that means that when it's delivered, we can still keep it for a while. So it will not be necessary to release immediately all the doses. It can stay in the fridge at much more classic temperatures, between 2 and 8 degrees. In the UK, locals in the village of Fernhill Heath have been taking tests after the South African variant was detected there.
I want to stress that it is still early days and we have rates of infection in this country still very, very high. Do remember how tough it still is, how high that rate of infection is, and that we must work together to get it down.
And in Portugal, hospitals are so overwhelmed that the government has appealed for outside help. On Saturday, 8 military doctors and 18 nurses from Germany arrived in Lisbon to work in an 8-bed private hospital.